2005 Chevrolet Silverado door handle replacement. Getting straight into it because these are the most common thing to break on these things. Torx bit. I don't know what size it is. The first one I grabbed doesn't tell me a size. Oh, it does on the side. Let's see. Where is it? It is... Well, that's like the model number. Whatever. You know, find a size to fit it. I couldn't tell you what it is. Lefty loosey. Righty tighty. I've already replaced this once. And somebody torqued them down way too tight. This is a pretty simple repair. Well, you gotta buy a new handle. Let's start with that. Let's see what broke on this one this time. The handle, the little tab right there. Yep, see this little, it's supposed to be a tab here? Gone. See the new one, it's got that tab, which pushes over on that piece right there, right yonder. Oh, we just throw it in, put the bolts back in. Okay, $450,000, please. Just a check will do. That's it. What's that?
Wait, what? How can you do that?
You do it. Easy with it. Pull. 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 So easy a 4-year-old could do it.
Can I do it?
There you go. All fixed. You give them a thumbs up. Okay, that's it. See, told you it was simple. It's like a 30-second video. Subscribe. See you in the next one.